In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable time zone detection in Calendly. Making sure your time zone is correctly set in Calendly is essential, so your invitees always see the right time for your meetings, no matter where in the world they are. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the settings area in Calendly, show you exactly where the time zone controls live, and how to save your changes so they apply to all your scheduling. Start by opening Calendly in your browser and making sure you're logged into your account. On the main dashboard, look toward the upper left area of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. This might be your initials, your photo, or a generic user icon. Click on that profile icon to open a small menu of options related to your account. From the menu that appears, look for the option labeled All Settings. This is where Calendly keeps your account-wide preferences, including time zone, language, and other personal settings. Go ahead and click on All Settings. You will be taken to a page with a menu on the left side that organizes everything into sections. In that left-hand menu, find and click on Profile. This is your personal profile area, where you can adjust your name, photo, and other identity details tied to your Calendly account. It's also where your time zone settings are located, which is what we're focusing on right now. Once you're on the profile page, scroll down until you see the section labeled Time Zone. Here, Calendly will either show your current time zone or give you an option to choose one. Make sure that the time zone shown matches your actual location or the time zone you typically use for scheduling. If there's an option for automatic detection, ensure it's set the way you prefer, so Calendly can consistently display correct times to you and your invitees. After you've confirmed or updated your time zone setting, don't forget to save your work. Look for the Save Changes button, usually located toward the bottom of the page. Click on Save Changes to apply your new time zone settings to your account. Once this is done, your Calendly events should display in the correct time zone moving forward, helping prevent confusion and missed meetings. That's all you